A Port Elizabeth-based company is making the most of the opportunity the booming green energy sector in the province is providing. Heavy engineering works company DCD is building a 300 million rand factory to manufacture steel towers, which wind turbines will be mounted on those towers at the Coega Industrial Development Zone.
The Eastern Cape is currently home to 5 wind farms, of which 3 are under construction. The bulk of the wind farm equipment is imported. This will soon change. The 23,000 square meter tower manufacturing plant is nearing completion in record time. The first ground was broken only 6 months ago. The first steel towers, weighing as much as 60 tons, are expected to be completed in the first quarter of 2014. DCD plans to produce 70 towers in the first year of operation, reaching 150 towers per year at full production. They aim to supply the next 3 phases of the Independent Power Producers Program and also looking at exports.
We will definitely focus internationally, starting off in a local market, focusing then on the neighboring countries like Mozambique, Namibia and so forth, and then moving into Africa, Kenya is a possibility, and then after that maybe international market, who knows.
3 new major projects with a total investment value of 1.2 billion rand are due for completion this financial year in the Coega IDZ. The steady growth has also given the Coega Development Corporation leeway to exercise its empowerment program. The CDC requires that SMME contractors must receive a 35% share of the construction work. But this is not just to give the smaller operator a slice of the pie. It is also used as a skills transfer platform under the wing of the established contractors.
Part of training the SMMEs is to increase the resources required going forward as we expand. We definitely have the required resources and competence within the Eastern Cape to deliver to our investors a top class building well within time and budget as required. We believe that these contractors can tender then more accurately and run their businesses more successfully because they've learned from companies that are slightly bigger and more ahead of them.
The Eastern Cape is now the 3rd biggest employer in the construction industry. The quarterly labour force survey from Statistics South Africa shows that 153,000 people were employed in the construction industry in the 3rd quarter of the year. Gauteng leads the way with 251,000 people employed in the industry. Yuri Blichnout, SABC News, Port Elizabeth.